The internet has revolutionized how we earn a living. Gone are the days of traditional 9-to-5 jobs being the only option. Today, anyone with an internet connection can tap into the vast potential of online marketplaces. Marketplaces offer a platform to reach millions of potential customers globally. Imagine selling handmade crafts from your living room to buyers across the world, or turning your photography passion into profit. Entry barriers are low, and the potential rewards are high. With dedication and the right strategies, you can establish a thriving online business. So buckle up and get ready to embark on your journey to online marketplace success. So what exactly are online marketplaces and how do they work? Think of them as bustling digital shopping malls connecting buyers and sellers. Some of the biggest players include eBay, Amazon, Etsy, and Fiverr. Each platform has unique features, fees, and audiences. Understanding these nuances is crucial for selecting the right marketplace for your products or services. With countless product categories and services available online, it's essential to identify a niche where you can thrive. The key is to find a balance between your passions, skills, and market demand. Here are some factors to consider. Passion projects. What are you passionate about? Turning your hobbies and interests into a business can fuel your motivation and creativity. In-demand products. Research. Trending products and categories within your chosen marketplace. Tools like Google Trends and keyword research can provide valuable insights. Unique selling proposition, USP. What sets your products or services apart from the competition? Identify your unique strengths and highlight them in your listings. Remember, you don't need to reinvent the wheel to succeed in online marketplaces. Sometimes putting a unique spin on an existing product or offering a specialized service can be just as effective as breaking new ground. Section 4. Crafting your listings. Attracting buyers. Your product listings are your virtual storefront, so it's crucial to make them eye-catching and informative. High-quality images, compelling product descriptions, and competitive pricing are essential for attracting buyers. Visual appeal. Use clear, high-resolution images that showcase your products from different angles. Consider investing in basic photography equipment or hiring a professional photographer for a polished look. Compelling descriptions. Highlight the key features and benefits of your products in a concise and engaging manner. Use keywords relevant to your niche to improve search visibility. Competitive pricing. Research the pricing of similar products within your marketplace. While you want to price competitively, don't undervalue your products or services. By presenting your products professionally and optimizing your listings for search engines, you can significantly increase your chances of attracting buyers and making sales. Section 5. Customer is king, building trust and loyalty. In the competitive world of online marketplaces, providing excellent customer service is paramount. Positive reviews and repeat customers are invaluable assets for building a reputable brand. Prompt communication. Respond to customer inquiries and messages promptly and professionally. Address any concerns or issues with empathy and a solution-oriented approach. Secure and reliable shipping. Package your products carefully to avoid damage during transit. Offer tracking information to customers and provide updates on their orders. Going the extra mile. Consider adding personal touches, such as handwritten thank you notes or small gifts, to surprise and delight your customers. By prioritizing customer satisfaction, you can cultivate a loyal customer base that will not only return for repeat purchases, but also become brand advocates, recommending your products to others. Section 6. Success stories, from side hustle to empire. The allure of online marketplaces lies in their potential to transform lives. Countless individuals have turned their side hustles into thriving businesses, achieving financial freedom and flexibility. Take, for instance, the stay-at-home mom who started selling handmade jewelry on Etsy as a creative outlet. What began as a hobby blossomed into a full-time business, allowing her to contribute to her family's income while working from home. Or consider the aspiring photographer who leveraged platforms like Fiverr and Instagram to showcase his portfolio, eventually attracting clients worldwide and turning his passion into a sustainable career. These success stories are a testament to the transformative power of online marketplaces. By tapping into your entrepreneurial spirit, leveraging the right strategies, and staying committed to your goals, you too can achieve remarkable success in the digital realm. Section 7. Conclusion, your online business awaits. The world of online marketplaces offers a vast and ever-evolving landscape of opportunities. Or build a full-time online empire. Platforms like eBay, Amazon, Etsy, and Fiverr provide compelling listings, provide exceptional customer service, and never stop learning and adapting to the dynamic online marketplace environment. Remember, the journey to online business success is a marathon, not a sprint. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never underestimate the power of dedication and hard work. Your online business awaits, and the only limit is